Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I decided I should probably start packing and getting ready for college. It is currently 10:55 Saturday night. I know, a really fun Saturday night. Anyways, I leave on Wednesday at like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. or something. And I haven't started packing at all. I have so many clothes. I have to figure out which ones I want to bring. This is going to be the worst. I have not been looking forward to this at all, and I don't want to do it. I have a lot to do. I have to work tomorrow, so I can't really like start packing tomorrow. And then Monday I have a lot to do. That leaves Tuesday, and I want to like see my friends before I leave a lot. And so that leaves me with right now at 10:55 on Saturday night to start packing all of my clothes. So I guess I'm gonna get into it. I have new hangers, so I'm gonna be putting everything, I think, onto the hangers because that'll just be easier. I don't know what to bring because, I'll come home for Thanksgiving so I can grab more like fall and winter clothes then. So I guess I'm just gonna start packing. I put on some YouTube videos. This is currently what my room's looking like. Really fun. He's my little kitten. Hi, Cleo. Hello. Here's the closet. I know I did a transformation and it didn't look like this after, but now it does. So I'm gonna set up a little time lapse and you can watch me do it. You're also gonna see me smelling my clothes to see if they're clean. Don't lie. I know we all do it. Please do not roast me in the comments. And yeah, I guess here we go. Alright guys, it is now almost 12 and I'm going to show you where I'm at. Okay, so I have all my dresses here, like t-shirts and stuff like that. I have a couple sweatshirts, and then I have this black corduroy jacket, and then this jean jacket, and then here are all my like short sleeves, and then all my long sleeves and sweaters. It's honestly like, it kind of looks like a lot. I don't think it's that much really, like compared to like what I thought I was gonna like want to bring. I have all of these extra hangers, and I obviously have a bunch of stuff in the wash as well, but then I haven't started going through all of my like pants and stuff, but here are just a few skirts that I'm bringing for sure. I think that's gonna be it for tonight. I probably should get some sleep, so I will see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, so it is now actually Monday morning. I leave on Wednesday morning again. And this is what my room, or my storage room, looks like. It's actually my brother's room. He's in the army, so I turned it into a storage room for all of my dorm stuff. I thought I could start packing all of this stuff. I have to leave the house in like 25 minutes to go hang out with my friends, but I thought I could at least get started. Alright guys, this is where I'm at now. I have all of my bathroom stuff and things like that in here. I have this mirror that I'm bringing over here. And then I have just these. I'm not going to bother putting in bags or anything. I have to figure out what to put that in. And then I have like my towels and a couple blankets in here. And then I have this bag and these two bags. I could definitely fit more in here, so I'll try and figure out what I'm going to put in there later. But yeah, this is how it's going so far. Hey guys, it is now Tuesday at like 12:30, so I am leaving tomorrow morning, and I'm just trying to pack everything. I thought this laundry basket would be able to hold all the stuff I wanted folded, and like my socks and underwear and everything, but I have these piles, I have this pile. I'm just trying to fit it all in there. I'm pretty stressed out, to say the least. I have to get a jewelry like holder today. Otherwise I guess I could buy one tomorrow when I'm there, but I have to like pack my laptop and everything like that, so I'm just a little stressed out. But I'm packing everything into the cars tonight, and then I have to give my cat a bath, and then I have to give myself a bath. So yeah, wish me luck, and yeah, here we go. This is how much stuff it is. My small tiny car, and then my mom's car, but wish me luck. It seems like so much stuff, but I swear to God, I'm not bringing that much. I had to put all of my pants in this. I'm gonna send it home with my parents, so it won't all be, like most of the bags I'm sending home with them, so it won't be too bad, but it just looks like so much stuff. Guys, look at how clean my room looks. My floor is completely clean. These are the clothes I'm wearing tomorrow, but other than that, I'm so happy with how clean it is. I just have to make the bed. So now I'm going to be taking a shower. I have this Aztec Secret Clay mask on my face, and then I have this Frost. It's like a toner and conditioner like treatment. I have that in my hair right now as well. And then I'm going to shower, and then my best friend is coming over to help me load everything into my car and my mom's car, so I can show you guys that and her. You'll really love her. And so yeah, I'll see you when I'm done with my face mask and hair mask. We're moving it all into the cars now. We have our lovely cars out here and our lovely pile of stuff, so wish us luck. Okay guys, Michaela's inside grabbing the last of it, but oh my god, look at how full this is. This is my mom's car, and then I have my car, and there's so much stuff. We're gonna have to fit the last part right in that back corner. The last bag! Just shut it really fast. Yay! Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it's kind of all over the place and I'm sorry about that, but there's just like a lot going on a bunch of different days. But I hope it was still pretty fun to watch, and there should be a move-in vlog coming right after this one. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!